Today I'm gonna install this mesh onto the ram air hood because I have bugs flying in and leaves and all that shit. Now, I don't know how the fuck to do this properly. I don't like the idea of having to drill into a fiberglass hood. It has this edge here and above, so there's enough surface to stick this thing onto. What I'm gonna do is use 3M tape, double-sided tape to do this. Just gonna clean it with some water and a rag. Then I'm gonna clean the surface with some alcohol-based cleaner, let it evaporate. Then I'm gonna use primer, 3M primer, and then the actual 3M tape. And then I'm gonna put on the mesh. Make sure it's warm outside. Don't do it in the winter. Don't do it at a cold. It has to be warm. The easiest way to apply the primer is by using a brush. Put some primer on and just apply the primer on the edge. Sorry for the bad camera work. It sucks having to do this upside down. If you can, or if you have the will to take off your hood and do it that way, it will be a lot easier. Because once you start putting the 3M tape on, it's really gonna become a pain in the ass doing it that way. The way I'm doing it is I'm cutting out sections and applying it in sections, because I've done this once before and I was trying to get like the whole thing out of one big piece. It's a pain in the ass, and it's no fucking different than doing it in pieces, except it's a lot easier. So just do it in pieces. One side is done. Now, I'm not trying to win a beauty contest here. Nobody's gonna see this shit, so it could have been done a lot better, but this is my second time doing it. The first time I really took my time with it. Ain't nobody gonna see it, so fuck it. If you can take off the hood, if you have another person, it takes like 5 minutes. Just do it. You'll thank me later. I'm just gonna clean those and do the same thing. Apply the adhesion promoter. See, it doesn't look that bad. You can barely tell it's there. The easiest way to get this off is by using something sharp like scissors and then just prying it off. Otherwise, if you try doing it with your fingers, you will most probably fail. Press it in firmly. There you have it. It doesn't look nearly as bad as you guys thought it would, doesn't it? Looks pretty good. The sun is being a bitch, but you should be able to see it.